Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make pasta using Maggi Masala. First, gather your ingredients: 250 grams of your preferred pasta, 1 packet of Maggi Masala, and 2 cups of water. You can also prepare any vegetables you like, such as half a cup of chopped onions or a quarter cup of bell peppers. Make sure you have a medium-sized pot and a stirring spoon ready for the cooking process. Once your water is boiling, carefully add the 250 grams of pasta to the pot. Stir it gently to prevent sticking. Allow the pasta to cook for about 8 to 10 minutes, or until it reaches an al dente texture. This means it should be firm to the bite, but not hard. Drain the pasta well, reserving about 1/4 cup of the pasta water for later use if needed. Now, in the same pot or a separate pan, heat 1 tablespoon of oil. Add your prepared vegetables, like onions and bell peppers, and sauté them for 2 to 3 minutes until they become slightly tender. Next, open the Maggi Masala packet and sprinkle its contents over the vegetables. Stir well for about 30 seconds to release its aromatic flavors. Finally, add the drained, cooked pasta to the pan with the flavorful masala and sautéed vegetables. Mix everything thoroughly, ensuring every strand of pasta is evenly coated with the delicious Maggi Masala. If the mixture seems too dry, you can add a tablespoon or 2 of the reserved pasta water. Serve your hot and aromatic Maggi Masala pasta immediately and savor this quick and tasty meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.